How to make another account on TikTok. So go ahead and open your TikTok account. Once you are in the For You page, go to the bottom right corner of the page to click on your profile icon. This is how your profile page looks like. And what you need to do is to tap on your username here on the upper center part. This will show other accounts logged in this device. But since we will be making another account, tap on add account, and this is the page where you can choose what account you will be linking into your TikTok. So for this one, I think I'll be using Gmail, but feel free to use whatever you prefer and whatever you have. You can use phone, Facebook, Apple account, and here's for more. You can also use Twitter, Line, and KakaoTalk. Again, I'll be using my Gmail. Tap on that and then just enter your credentials. After entering your credentials, you will be asked for your birthday. So just input your month, birth date, and the year. Once you're done, tap on next and then just input the nickname or the username that you want to be displayed on your account. After that's done, you now have a new TikTok account. So that is how to make another account on TikTok. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.